Hi students, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 9th tutorial of probability chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session we discussed about example 7 and in this session we will discuss about example 8. So don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 8 and obviously homework. So starting with the first, it's basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's homework answer, and the first question, the percentage of marks obtained by a student in the monthly unit test are given below. Unit tests are 1 to 5 and percentage of marks are 89, 71, 73, 76 and 74. So based on this data, find the probability that the student gets more than 75% in a unit test. More than 75 means we can conclude here 76 and 89, right? So here the number of unit test is in which the student obtain more than 75% marks equals to 2, which are 89 and 76. Got it? So possible outcomes equals to 2 and total outcomes 5 because there are total 5 unit tests. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. So 2 divided by 5 and answer is 0.4. Got it? So go to the next. It's example 8 from your textbook. It's an insurance company selected 2000 drivers at random. So total number of drivers equals to 2000. So without any preference of any driver over another in a particular city, to find a relationship between age and accidents. Here the data based on age of drivers as well as accidents in 1 year. Then so the data are given in the following table. So table is here. So first question from this data says find the probabilities of the following events for a driver chosen at random from the cities. So first one is being 18 to 29 years of age, means choose here 18 to 29 as well as and having exactly 3 accidents. Having exactly 3 accidents means here the possible outcome is 61. Got it? So total numbers of driver 2000 and age 18 to 29 and exactly 3 accidents means answer is 61, means possible outcome 61. Now second question, being 30 to 50 years means this one, second one is age and having 1 or more accidents in a year. 1 we can conclude 1 or more than 1 means we can include, this is all are right. So 125 plus 60 plus 22 plus 18. Got it? And third one, having no accident in 1 year. No accident means here 0 accidents and we can include any age, right? So answer is 440 plus 505 plus 360. Got it? From the question we got this type of data, right? So starting with the answer, total number of drivers equals to 2000. First question, age 18 to 29 and years of age and exactly 3 accidents. I have already told its answer is 61, means possible outcome is 61 here. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 61 divided by 2000 and answer is 0.0305. Got it? Or we can say here, so 0.031. Now go to the second question. It's age between 30 to 50 and 1 or more accidents. So 1 or more accidents like 125, 60, 22 and 18. So we can addition here that 125 plus 60 plus 22 plus 18 equals to 225. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 225 divided by 2000 equals to 0.1125, and the answer is 0.113. Got it? Now go to the next, is having no accident in year. So for 40, 505 and 360, we can addition of 440 plus 505 plus 360 equals to 1305. Got it? So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 1305 divided by 2000, and answer is 0.653. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in comment section. Now it's homework time, and the question is, an insurance company selected 2000 drivers at random. Means here also total outcomes are 2000. So without any preference of one driver over here in a particular city, to find a relationship between age and accidents, the data are given in the following table. So I have given here table, and the question from the table is, find the probabilities of the following events for a driver chosen at random from the city, and the question being 18 to 29, means age between 18 to 29 years of age, and having over 3 accidents in 1 year, over 3 accidents. Got it? Best of luck guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.